Hello students, I am Ravi Kumar. Welcome to Computer Digital Classes. Today we discuss about MS Excel. MS Excel is a part of Microsoft Office. It's very useful. This application software have various types of features now shown on your screen. It is used in all places like school, bank, government and many private sectors. For the open MS Excel we follow some steps like click on start, then all programs and choose MS Office and select MS Excel software. Excel is also called spreadsheet. It's a combination of number of row and column, and where intersect row and column, that is called cell. In spreadsheet we can make a database and also make a chart. This is Excel window with various components like status bar, ribbons, title bar, help menu and various options. In this session we discuss about the all option and ribbon. This is home ribbon. In this ribbon we have various options related to various formatting options like size, color, font, alignment and many more. Filter is advanced option in this ribbon. Ribbon allow to arrange your data of ascending, descending, alphabetical or reverse option. Now this is insert ribbon. It's allowed to insert a chart, shape, various picture, table and various options. Dear listeners, you can change your type of your chart like 3D, pie chart, cone chart and various type of chart available in this insert ribbon. Page layout ribbon, it's allowed to customize your page like your margin, orientation. Students, you can change your page color, also use your background themes. It's a predefined combination of various colors. Formula ribbon, it have various logical and arithmetical formulas. You can also customize formula according to your use. For example, if you make a mark sheet of your class, that time you make a name of student, number of subjects and its marks. In this database, you can total all the marks and percentage and also grade. Data ribbon has various advanced options related to your database. This option allow to delete duplicate values and also fetch a specific conditions. Next ribbon is review ribbon. It's allowed to research of your database on yourself like any spelling mistakes. You can also change and ignore. Our next ribbon is view ribbon. It's allowed to change how to appear your spreadsheet on your computer sheet. User according to your use, you can change your pages size like 200 percentage, 50 percentage and see according to your comfort. Please subscribe for new videos. I hope you enjoy video. Thanks for the watching video.